What's up, investors? It's Mike from MJF Invest. Today's video is going to be about an update of how I'm handling some of the trades that we've been talking about. I've been getting some questions about a couple of stocks, and I just wanted to put a video out there, to let you know how I was playing some of these tickers. The tickers I'm going to go over in the video are App Harvest, ticker symbol APPH. I made videos about this pre-merger. Novus Capital, ticker symbol NOVS. We got in this trade at $11.40. And you see today it's $38.73. We're also going to cover FRSX. I've been covering this one for a while. Back in November, about 90 cents was the first time we talked about FRSX on the channel. Right now we're trading at $8.91. Ticker symbol ZOM. It's another company we've been talking about since 19 cents. Today is trading at $1.06. And I've been getting asked about ticker symbol CIDM lately. As you see here, I made a video at the beginning of the year, January 1st, when the company was trading at 64 cents. And now today we are up over 100%, trading at $1.34. I wanted to give an update, what's going on with these companies and how I'm playing these trades. Some of these small cap stocks, some of the real gains, being patient is important. Getting 100% pop, that's great. Doubling your money, that's fantastic. But some of these trades that pop like that, they have more room to run. I wanted to discuss that. First company I wanted to talk about was ticker symbol APPH. The merger is now complete. App Harvest is trading. We were talking about, I was joking around with one of my buddies talking about when Jonathan Webb gets on TV, that's when people are going to really get excited about this. And it's kind of funny, he was saying that, and it's kind of what's been happening. As they become more visible, this stock has popped up to almost $40 a share now. So we're almost 4X. In my first video, I talked about call options. I'm going to exercise those options today. So this is going to end up being a pretty great trade. I'm going to take some profits in this trade now, maybe sell close to half of my position. And I'll let the other half, I'll keep a close eye to see how things develop. The second trade I wanted to give an update on was FRSX. Foresight Autonomous has exploded. Keep in mind, the secondary products are what's been pushing this. iNet Mobile, the possible pilot program with Toyota. That's not QuadSight, right? QuadSight is where the value is here. I would not be selling any of my shares here. This could be one of those trades you look back on and you really kick yourself in the butt and go, oh man, I sold it at $4. I sold it at $8. I sold it at $9. We've been in this trade since it was under $1. I'm holding on until I know what's going on with Foresight. I've said this several times in my content about Foresight Autonomous, was I am not willing to sell these shares until I know more about those partnerships with Elbit, FLIR, NVIDIA. The thing that attracted me most to this and told me this was special technology was the fact that, they had partnerships with giants. NVIDIA integrated QuadSight into the Jetson. That tells me that told me this technology was special. Now, since then, iNet Mobile and Rail Vision have been pushing. The last two really big gap ups for FRSX have been based on their secondary products. So sit tight, hold these shares. I think patience will pay off. If you're looking long term, obviously there's no shame in taking profits. There's no, it's a good habit to get into. But every once in a while, you come across a company that presents a great opportunity. If you could just be patient. And I've been saying this since the beginning. FRSX is a company like that. I'm holding those shares, and if you were following along with me, you'd be holding your shares still as well until we know more about QuadSight. Zomedica, ticker symbol ZOM. I'm still in this trade as well. I'm holding tight. We will not know what is going on or the potential of the ticker symbol ZOM until Truforma comes to market, and that doesn't happen until the end of March. So although there's been a huge gap up, 19 cents was the first time we talked about this company on the channel. We're up over $1 right now. my price targets back then were like $1.50, $2. I would have been happy with. But with the excitement, and it's been holding nicely in this range, we're still 2 months away. So I'm definitely holding until April, May, June. I don't care about the volatility up until then. I'm not concerned. My average cost is way down there. I'm excited about this. We also touched on the pipeline. They have interesting partnerships, with the canine cancer drug. They have interesting partnerships working on the UTIs for felines and dogs. Really, really interesting stuff. It's first product to market. Really fascinating, especially when Truforma is kind of revolutionary. The ball acoustic technology is the first of its kind. It's the first diagnostics point of care system for veterinarians. This market is growing. The pandemic has really pushed the pet market. Is huge. Look at Chewy. Look at some of these other pet-related services. Americans love their pets, and we know that. People will spend money on pets, so I expect no different. I expect big things from Zomedica, and we won't know the potential. There's no way to put an accurate price target on this until you get an idea of pre-sales. Again, I'm holding tight here as well. Same thing with ticker symbol CIDM. I'm excited about the gap up. Nothing wrong with taking profits. It's a good habit to get into. But for me, my thesis right from the beginning, I wrote a napkin and I tweeted it out and I put it on paper. This is a company that is definitely, in my opinion, attractive for a bigger company to get bought out. I always circle back to Viacom buying Pluto TV for over $300 million. That's what I'm waiting for with this kind of company. Streaming is a huge emerging market. I love that market. This is a play on that. I got in here at 64 cents, and my thesis was to 3x or wait for a buyout based on some of the stuff. If you're not familiar with any of these companies, go back on my channel, watch the videos. I have very detailed research videos about all of these companies on my channel. And basically, I'm holding all. App Harvest, I'll take some profits today. The rest of them, I want to know more. People have been asking how I've been asking if I've still been in some of these trades. So I decided to just put it all in one video. I'm holding, waiting, except for with App Harvest. I feel like I'm happy with that trade. It's done better than I could have imagined. They're better than I could have hoped, really. And but the rest of them, I'm holding. If you're still watching, thank you so much. Please hit that like button and subscribe for future content. And let's talk stocks down below in the comment section.